Hey, I'm Gil Obregon, and this is Plano City News, your local-only Plano newscast. This week, we start with the Great Update Rebate. This helps homeowners improve older homes while making our neighborhoods stronger. If your home is 30 years or older and owner-occupied, as well as valued under $478,975, you may qualify. Homeowners who invest at least $20,000 in improvements like roofing, foundation repairs, fencing, and landscaping upgrades can receive a rebate of up to $5,000. However, your project must be approved before any work begins and deposits are paid. To learn more or request an application package, you can call 972-208-8150. And now, if you're feeling lucky this St. Patrick's season, Plano Animal Service has a great deal that just may help you find your new best friend. From March 9th through the 22nd, adoption fees are just $10 for all dogs heavier than 30 pounds. While this special does not include smaller dogs or cats, there are still plenty of lovable pets waiting to find their new home. You can see available animals at share.plano.gov/pets for adoption. And the Plano Public Library has partnered with Texas A&M Agri-Life Extension to showcase the journey from egg to chick. Eggs have been placed in an incubator at Davis Library, and the community is invited to watch them grow along the way. Hatch Day is scheduled for March 20th. For more information, you can head to share.plano.gov/hatchday. And lastly, for our pet of the week, we have Truffles. She's a 5-year-old tortoise that is available for adoption. Now, you do need to show proof of a setup, and you must have reptile experience in order to take her home with you. For more information, go to share.plano.gov/pets for adoption. And that does it for this week's edition of Plano City News. For more from our great city, you can head to our social media pages, or you can always go to our website at plano.gov. We'll see you next week.